In this video, we are going to learn how to auto size the plane. So we'll create something. I'll take front plane here. We'll make one box and we'll define some dimension. Like this will be 80 by 60. Exit. Now I'm going to extrude this. So we extrude it at the distance of 30. Okay. Now we can show all the planes. We can click from here and we can show the planes. So you can see all the planes are visible. Now I'm going to change the object size first. So if I edit my sketch, if I make it 100 or this to be like making 150, exit. You can see plane also updated according to my object. But if I change by mistake or maybe I want to change the plane, so we can pick the plane and we can change the plane size. Now if you edit the object, like if I change this to 120 or this to be 200 and exit, you find there's no changes in the plane. But I want my plane to be fit according to the object size. In that case, we'll select this plane, right click and we'll choose the option auto size. Now you can see the plane size has become equal to the object size. So this is how we can use auto size of the plane. If you like this video, subscribe my channel and thank you for watching this video.